Hi, it's me again with Corel and Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and I apologize if you're getting bored with this, but I'm trying to help out, and I finally kind of see he's written me enough notes. This is evidently the inside of the scope, and this is a target. He even says it's a target 100 yards away through the scope. And if I'm not still 100% sure, but I've turned all your drawings into a hairline, basically, with the exception of this other line, which I didn't know was actually supposed to be in there, but this is a 400-point line, so what we need to do is go to object and convert that outline to an object and take away the fill and right-click the line, and then let's make this a hairline, and we have a gap between there. Two ways you can do it. We could get rid of this line and take this line. Well, shouldn't really do that. If I was drawing it, that's what I'd do. But we'll have to do the same thing. You could actually just rotate it. But let's just flip it, change it to an outline, take away the fill, add an outline, go anywhere you want, double click on here or go up to this and change it to a hairline. And now if I understand him correct, he needs these lines, and this needs to be black, which will be silver on the powder coating. And then this needs to be black and this line needs to be silver. So what I would suggest, let's just take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, those four quadrants. And now you have white showing this, and then you could take this and extend this to show the line. I'm thinking that's what he's wanting. I wouldn't think he'd want these other lines in these dots, so now we don't really need them, so we could take the the virtual segment delete key and delete these lines. I'm hoping, Dave, this is what you're wanting to do. I kind of finally understand. I think I'm kind of I should have maybe tried to call you. I just had another busy day with grandkid stuff and just got home a little while ago. But if you take these lines away, that will look like a target, and I can't imagine you needing those lines, and they're actually a hairline, and they wouldn't probably engrave anyway. So everything now, I hope I have it. Let's fill that in with yellow. Go up to Object, Order, back a page. So now everything that is black is going to be silver. Everything that is yellow is going to be black. So these little white dots are going to be black. That's going to be black, but this is going to be silver because it's going to take it away. I truly hope that's what we're shooting for. If not, we can try it one more time. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.